Do you have smelly balls? Good news. There's now a product that completely rids all odor and scent from your stickily, sweaty ball sack. It's called Balls. Very innovative. They've really thought about everything. They even made an ad just around this guy that shaves his balls. It's 25 seconds long. It really stopped me when I was scrolling down my feed. I was like, what is this? First of all, why am I getting targeted for this? Is Facebook listening to me? Does WhatsApp know I have smelly balls? Why am I being targeted for this ad? What did I do? How did they know? And then I actually went and sniffed my balls and I was like, yeah, maybe I should be targeted for it. Okay, fair enough. So let's look at the ad. There's a guy here and at the top of the thing it says, I had smelly balls all the time, but now I use the balls trimmer. Meet the balls trimmer. Smooth balls without nicks or cuts. Wow. Sack safe blades. Use it in the shower. 92% of partners prefer it. So I have no idea where they're getting that statistic from. How do you know 92% of partners prefer shaving balls? They probably took it from some bullshit PubMed science study that says all women like shaving balls. Personally, I don't really care. I think it's just an annoying thing to have to do. I understand women have to do it. It's not really fair that men don't have to do it. But you know, this is why we have patriarchy, so we don't have to shave our balls. I think it's one of the benefits of being a man. Anyway, nick your sack, send it back. Incredible copy, and they even have a little cherry emoji that looks, of course, like a ball sack. Very smart, very good stuff. They have a trademark thing here which says the balls trimmer is the future. I would personally use the balls to the wall, or the ball is too tall. Okay, maybe I shouldn't write copy for this. Nonetheless, no snags or nicks, fully waterproof. So they've really just identified two main objections or pain points for their potential customer, which is essentially they don't want to cut their balls and they want it to work in the shower. And as long as that's done, everything's great. That's the benefit of actually making products for men. We're so simple, we only care about a few things. Does it work in the shower? Yes. Will it cut my ball sack? No. I'll buy it. Fantastic. Let's go and look at their landing page. Balls, again, they're really going with this branding and messaging here. As you can see from this splash page, they just have a man cutting a big hedge and it says, we save balls, again, free tax shipping. And you see in the top right here, they just have a picture of the cart, which in this case they're calling the sack. Very smart. These guys are genius. They know who they're targeting to. They understand the male demographic very well. Again, more phallic ball sack imagery. This time using cactuses, or should I say cacti? I'm never entirely sure which one to use. Nonetheless, they're just going through some basic copy. They have a bunch of reviews and social proof. Very good stuff. More social proof as seen in the Daily Mirror. I'm not really sure, but that's a good one. Days, Metro, Lad Bible, Daily Mail. There's something very telling about the publications that are actually promoting the specific products. I think any of you that live in England will actually know what, what is to be said about this, but it's a very male demographic, and to be fair, everything looks nice. Again, they have more ball sack imagery and more happy balls. Here's all of the men taking pictures on Instagram with their ball sack cutter. To me, it just looks like a normal drop-shipped Chinese cutter with no branding that they put in a nice packaging. But who am I? You know, I've been around the block a little bit. It does look very basic to me. Probably cost them a $5, whatever. Just join for cool shit, blah, 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 email please. Wow, their copywriter really went for this kind of male aesthetic. If we go onto their product pages, they sell two things, the balls trimmer and the safe sack blade. It's 64 euros or 19 euros for the blade. I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I think the price is quite expensive, but they're probably selling like mofos on this. And it's interesting that they use a diverse set of pictures. I guess they believe that all kind of cultures of men want to shave their balls. That's all fine and fair enough, fantastic. And it's only a quick shipping, more social, you know, less objection handling, fantastic. And that's really it. There's not much more to this. This is the entire business. As a takeaway from this, I find it quite exciting that you can essentially just have one product and heavily brand it in a certain direction. Because what this essentially is just a beard trimmer, in my opinion. There's no difference mechanically or the way it looks. There's no specific branding on it. It's just a beard trimmer that any other man would just use to shave his face, neck, and what have you. But they've repurposed this entire product into being a ball trimmer. Now what you can learn from this is that even if a product specifically marketed for a certain thing, in reality you can use it for a whole host of things. Just imagine using scissors, and instead of selling scissors to cut your nails, you use it for tattoos. Okay, maybe that isn't the greatest idea, maybe I shouldn't be actually a marketer, but nonetheless you get the picture. Let's see if they have anything else. They have a live chat, no nudes please. Wow, they really understand the male demographic. They're really going for this, aren't they? They're really going balls to the wall. And then you have a shop, we've already gone through that, and that's it. Possibly one of the simplest startup businesses I've seen on the internet in the last few months. It's very, very easy to make, and I don't really see the effort they're putting into it, other than these nice looking copy and a few product images. Let's go on to the comments on the Facebook ad. Yeah, mum, the acting job is going well. Why am I still getting these ads? Go wash yourself properly if you have smelly balls. That's actually a good idea. If you do have sweaty balls, lads, a good idea is just to wash them. Wait, is there actually any science behind shaving balls and it'll make them somehow less smelly? Like, surely nature intended for us to have hairy balls. It probably has some function, right? To like wick away the sweat and like let it drip down our thighs and let it not be smelly. He's gonna struggle to get a girlfriend, smelly balls, antibacterial shower gel, literally crying at the comments. Okay, fantastic. So my name's Shad and this was my ad review and funnel review for Balls, the ball sack trimmer. Oh, I can't believe how many times I said the word balls in this video. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something. If you did, even if you didn't, go and subscribe and hit the notification button. In my next videos, I'm gonna go through way more complicated funnels and ads. They're a lot better than this, but I just thought it was a really cool example that shows, how you can take a very simple idea and just with branding and perception, turn it into something completely different. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.